This is Dr. Rule, what it do though? If you're watching this video, oh wait, you know I got something to show you. Coming to you live from Las Vegas with this hot ass heat and my fine ass. Stay tuned. What's going on? Today is a day. Got that, ooh, got that big monster girl. He got that BBT, that big black trainee. Monster transmission. I think OG got a stage 2. So we about to slap this thing up in there, man. Get her up out the way. I am going to be using AN fittings here, AN fittings here with the 90 degree. Connect the hose to there, run it to the front to the trans cooler. So yeah, man, as you see, all the little plugs are still in there for the little sensors and all that razzle dazzle. So enough of that. Let me get these little fittings and get this thing dropped in real quick. And I was not about to use no regular jack. Had to go grab a actual trans jack. This damn thing is heavy. That torque converter is heavy, but it's gonna move this big ass boat for sure. I hope y'all been getting y'all paper, cuz. So yeah, we got some wiring to do too. Now that she started, I can really get cracking. Ooey! Let me learn you something real quick. I just thought about it. I don't think I ever made a video showing how and again, this is not a DIY channel. This is just showing you my builds, more so for the customers. So if you want to do it this way, you can do it this way, but I'm just showing you this is the way I do it. There's two pieces. You have an AN here, you have another AN fitting right here, which is a 90 degree, and then basically you're gonna put that one in there. After that, what I do is I screw this one in here like so, and once you get those in like that, you're going to take actually it's another car here that I can show you that I did it on. Basically you're gonna put it like that, angle them to the front because you're gonna use rubber or braided hose, and you're gonna send it all the way up to the trans cooler. Let me show you this other car. You can see that right there, and you run it straight. There you go, right there, right back into the radiator. This is a 96 Impala that I did some time ago. The car was working perfectly fine, and out of nowhere, something with this harness, and it would just start tripping or whatever. So we were swapping the harness on it, whatever, and he doesn't like to drive by wire because it's performing funny. Like I always say, y'all go cable anyway. So he wanted to convert it to drive by cable. This is a LS3 4080E and a 96 Impala. It looks like crap right now, but he does upholstery, so he's gonna do a full. He's gonna do all the upholstery in here. He's gonna do the paint. He's gonna do everything, but I'm not trying to take away from the colors, so let's get back to it. And we're back. So wait on 96 Impala. That video is coming up soon. LS3 4080E. Well, it's really a LQ9 LS3 heads, LS3 intake with a big old cam 4080E transmission. But stay tuned for that one. We'll get back to that one very soon. Yeah, so put those there, send them straight up to the trans cooler, and let's get this big ass thing on here. Here is the torque converter. I do not know I'm about to do this by myself, but we about to get it done though. Let me fill this torque converter with some training fluid and get to it. Y'all will not believe this. Transmission so damn big, won't fit into the car from the side, won't fit from the back. So I have to take off the wheel and slide it in right there. So here's what it is. Fun facts. Got the 22-inch iRock off. OG said these are for sale. I can't remember the price, but I will let y'all know. He is going size blankety blank. Y'all like how I did that. Big brake conversion coming soon, real soon. But let's try to squeeze this thing in here and get the torque converter on. My frustration just went to a whole nother level. So, trying to put this trans in with this trans jack. These trans jacks are low profile, but the damn thing's still too tall to go in from the side. It can't go through the front, can't go from the side, so I need basically a lift, which I prefer. We do have a car lift over there, but I don't think I showed y'all that. Somebody asked me about it too. It was like, man, you do all this on the floor? Hell yes, I do. We have a lift over here that's going to be going up soon, but no time soon. I'll say it ain't gonna be nothing before 2 months. So I gotta grind it out this way. Ah, man. I'm gonna figure something out though. I ain't gonna let it beat me like that. No, sir. Listen. If this damn 80E ain't the heaviest thing that man, listen. Alright, listen. Y'all remember on Hercules? I don't know how old or young some of y'all is, but y'all know, everybody know Hercules is. Man, this damn sun is burning the damn gloves on my hand. Shucks. That 80E transmission is so heavy. If you see, I put it on another jack, and it's still having clearance issues, but I can lift the car from there one more time and just let it down. Back to Hercules. This transmission is so heavy, it reminds me of when they was trying to figure out who the god is and this and that, and it was a big old sword in this rock. And everybody was trying to pull this sword out this rock, and little Hercules come and pull that sword out. That's what's up with this transmission. To get this transmission from the ground to this jack, that was terrible. To get it on from there, and it's so heavy the transmission jack don't even roll. That's how heavy that is. So yes, I am the chosen one. They said we're made in God's image. This is what God looks like. Me. But nah, for real, let me hurry up and do this, man, because it's hot out here. Like, for real. Y'all know iPhones, the temperature be kicking and all that, so. Man, this mug right in. And, oh my Lord. The Lord is my shepherd, and you know what I want. All the little things. Got the little temperature sensor and all that, so I can cut on. Oh, there we go. Yep, got everything. You come with instructions. Amen.